Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. This is just like a really quick video on how I did my son's Lego table. It was really cheap. If you have kids that love Legos, then you know Legos can kind of be expensive, especially Lego tables. Like when I looked it up, it was in, some of them were like hundreds of dollars. And I was like, no, I'm not doing it. Even when I looked up, just like simple wooden tables, even wooden tables were $50 and up, and that was still costly to me. So, the first site that I saw, my neighbors had actually threw a table out in the trash. You guys, I grabbed that table, cleaned it up, and that is what I used to make my son's Lego table. It's in their room right now. They have not seen it. It has been drying overnight. They've been waiting to play with it, so they're going to be super excited. But because I got it out of the trash, the cost of it was only $22, you guys. I made this $22 total. That's the spray paint. That's the liquid nail. That is the base plates. The base plates are for the Lego Duplos. They are for the bigger blocks. My sons are not ready for those tiny things, which I am very glad. The base plates was, I think, like $16.99. Now those I did purchase off of Amazon, and I was a little bit disappointed just because I thought they were going to be a lot bigger. I'm not going to lie, because when I went into the actual Lego store, base plates are $15 a piece, and I wasn't doing that. But I mean, it is bigger than what's in the store, but I don't know. Okay. Let's just go ahead and get into how I did the table. The table is nice. I do have actual pictures at the end if you just want to fast forward to the pictures. But if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Alright, you guys, this is the table that I'm going to be doing or using for my kids, the boys' Lego table. I just got done wiping it down. Yes, you're trying to show it. I just got this from Walmart. I think it was close to $4. And the table pretty much was free, so got it out of the trash, seen somebody throw it out, and I was like, nope. So I just got done cleaning it off. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple coats on it, and then I'm going to come back. Alright, so that's what the table looks like after one coat. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not going to put a second coat on there. I really don't think it needed, and I left the top of it bare because I'm going to be putting on the base plates right there. I purchased those off of Amazon. They were, I think, like $16, $17 for the whole set, and then I'm going to be putting them on using liquid nails. That way the boys cannot tear it up. So I am going to do that, and then I will be back. So this is the final result. This is how it came out. Yeah, it's not professional, but you get the idea of it with the the little parking spots and things of that sort. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. The boys can't wait to play with it. I'm going to pretty much let this dry overnight. I know the boys are going to be upset at that, but yes, you got to let the what is that? The liquid nail. You got to let the liquid nail pretty much, you got to let it dry. Now I will say on the block that's clear, you can see the liquid nail coming through it, and you can see how I glued. I pretty much just put the liquid nail on the four corners and then just put them down into place. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. But that is their Lego table. That's how it came out.